Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the gang. Bang, big bang. Let's go.
I want to ask you something. Have you been hearing all this talk about AI and feeling like it's probably just for young tech people? Like it's way over your head? Look, I get it. I thought the exact same thing. I thought I missed the boat because I didn't know how to code. But here's the tea. AI isn't a math test. It's a conversation. If you can send a text message, you can do this. I'm Ani, and today I'm showing you that if you're overwhelmed, you're actually in the best position to start making money moves. We're talking zero startup costs, zero prior tech experience, and an easy setup you can finish before your next coffee break. Let's get into the 5 ways you can start making money with AI for free right now. Move number 1, the ghostwriter. Local businesses are struggling to keep up. Use the free version of ChatGPT to write specialized newsletters for plumbers, realtors, or that cute bakery down the street. They stay relevant and you get paid for the copy. Move number 2, the digital artist. Use a tool like Leonardo.ai, which gives you 150 daily credits to create stunning images. You can put these on t-shirts, journals, or tote bags using a free pop-up store on Printify or Amazon KDP. You don't need to be an artist, you just need an imagination. Move number 3, the content recycler. This is a huge one. Take long YouTube videos and use an AI tool like Opus Clip, which offers a free forever plan to turn them into viral TikToks for busy creators. They need the views, you have the tool. Move number 4, the AI assistant. Offer prompt engineering for small business owners. Help them automate their email replies so they can actually enjoy their weekends. You go to a free chatbot like Claude, free to sign up, and you help them set up ready-made reply templates for their most common questions. You're not just selling AI, you're selling them their time back. And move number 5, faceless YouTube channels, like me. You can use AI-generated images for free on Gemini and voiceovers to create daily affirmations or true crime shorts. You don't even have to show your face to build a following. See? No gatekeeping, no headache. If I can navigate this, you definitely can. Don't let the tech bros have all the fun or all the money. If you would like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join the AI Girl Gang. I'll see you in the next one.